Eyrus is your single vendor for a complete worksite security solution. Introducing Eyrus Security, which brings together worker registration and badging, access control, video surveillance and monitoring, and security staffing for when you need an extra hand. Eyrus Worker Registration collects worker information, certifications, plays multilingual safety videos, and records signatures. After registration, Eyrus makes it easy to print badges. Create and save badge templates with dynamic components that will automatically populate with a worker's profile information collected at registration, allowing you to print badges in real time, giving workers access right away. Worker badge access is managed with Eyrus access control software and hardware. In Eyrus, you can define site entrances in zones, then use Eyrus turnstiles, hand scanners, gate arms, and doors to control access and set badge permissions and schedules. Add AI-powered video surveillance and monitoring for 24/7 security and deterrence, using HD cameras in sentry boxes for fence lines, wide-angle cameras for interiors, and solar trailers for parking lots. Video clips are automatically synced with access control events. Add on video monitoring for after-hours security. AI-powered alerts are sent to agents who determine threat level and follow your desired SOP. With the data collected from Eyrus Security Solutions, Eyrus automates headcount and work hours, reporting that saves your construction management team hours each day. Then generates productivity insights by zone, trade, company, and more on your current project and across your portfolio. Eyrus can even provide security planning, installation, and field support staffing when you need extra hands to run smoothly. Eyrus Security, your single vendor for construction site security and worksite intelligence.